Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Yes, today is Christmas. Today is 25th of December, and in a typical Ghanaian home today there must be fufu and some chicken light soup. If I'm not afraid to say, 95% of Ghanaian are going to prepare fufu and chicken light soup today. Trust me. And so this is how I'm going to prepare mine. So join me as I share this amazing recipe with you all. So now let's get started. To start making the soup, I'm going to start by cooking my vegetables. So to a pot, I'll go in with some carrots, garden eggs, fresh pepper, fresh tomatoes, one medium-sized onion, and I'll go in with some water to cook these veggies very well. You can also use any vegetable of your choice. So now let's cover and cook it until it's nice and soft. Alright, so for today's chicken light soup, I'm going to be using this roasted chicken. I've uploaded a video on my YouTube channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. Trust me, this recipe was a bomb and I hope you're going to try. You are definitely going to love it. So into a big pot, I'm going to add in my roasted chicken. I'll also go in with a little bit of tolo beef. It is totally optional, right? I'll also go in with some tomato paste, some chopped onions. I'll also go in with some chicken seasoning, of course. I'll also go in with a little bit of pepper soup spice mix, garlic and ginger paste as well, and a little bit of salt to taste. Everything is totally to your taste. I'll go in with water. I'm not going to allow this to steam in its own juices because trust me, I don't have that time. So you just have to go in with water and allow it to cook until it's nice and juicy. And after like 10 minutes, I checked on it and I'll give it a good mix, cover it again for it to cook for additional 10 to 15 minutes for the sauce on it to thicken up a little bit. While that is going on, our veggies is also soft enough for us to blend. So I'm going to be blending everything off camera and I'll come back to pour it into the base of this soup. All right, and after 10 minutes of steaming, the chicken is looking all good and the sauce has also taken up a little bit. So moving forward, I'll go in with my blended ingredients and afterwards I'll go in with some water as well. The water you add to your soup really depends on how you want it, as always. After you get the right consistency, you just have to give it a good mix, cover it and allow it to cook until it is halfway cooked, because I'm going to be adding in other things else. All right, so now let's cover it until it is almost ready. And afterwards I'm going to open it again. As you can see, the soup is looking all good and just perfect. But since I love sweet things, let me go in with extra mackerel, and trust me, this mackerel took the taste of this soup to another level. Just trust the process and your family are all going to lick their mouth. So after adding it to it, I'm going to give it a good mix, cover it again and allow it to cook until the soup is nice and ready. And as I said, today I'm making a typical Christmas day in a Ghanaian home. So today we're going to prepare, or we're going to pound our cassava and plantain fufu as we always do it in a Ghanaian home. So I'm going to start by pounding the plantain before I'll go in with the cassava. So I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of the video, but before that, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And since today is 25th of December, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my followers and subscribers right here. Thank you for always supporting me from day one. Your baby girl is very grateful. And happy new year in advance as well. Thank you so much for your support. And so now let me leave you to enjoy the rest of the video until we are done pounding the fufu.
Toboli, Meka Bejeje Vielo, Toboli, Nega Blanyeji, Toboli, Nega Nyoanyeji, Toboli, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Nadena Hopela Sionablo, Devinelo, Toboli. Meka Bejeje Vielo, Toboli, Meka Bejeje Vielo, Toboli, Nega Blanyeji, Toboli, Nega Nyoanyeji, Toboli, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Nadena Hopela Sionablo, Devinelo, Toboli. Meka Bejeje Vielo, Toboli, Meka Bejeje Vielo, Toboli, Nega Blanyeji, Toboli, Nega Nyoanyeji, Toboli, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Nadena Hopela Sionablo, Devinelo, Toboli. Meka Bejeje Vielo, Toboli, Meka Bejeje Vielo, Toboli, Nega Blanyeji, Toboli, Nega Nyoanyeji, Toboli, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Mega Favila Zamenamo, Nadena Hopela Sionablo, Devinelo, Toboli.
Alright, so thank you so much for staying with me up to this point. As you can see, the fufu is looking all good and just perfect. So all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy it. And our soup is also doing well. It looks very delicious and very, very mouth-watering as well. So now let's serve and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell as well, and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.